So anything that's not going to damage their hair further. Something like the halo is really great in that sense because it's not attached to the hair at all, so it can't damage the hair. Another great thing about using the halo with fine hair is that you can actually hide the halo a lot better with fine hair than you can with like permanents or clip-ins, and that's purely because just the nature of the halo is that it sits quite low underneath your hair.
So I guess with permanent extensions, they are like attached to your actual hair and always pulling at your hair out of the head, whereas with the halo, for example, it is just sitting on your head, so it's not putting any pressure on your hair at any time.
So it doesn't weigh it down at all.
Yeah. So you can see here how the halo is, it's not really sitting on anything. If it's not pulling pressure on my hair, it's literally just hanging off my head.
Yeah, and then you can sort of like put your fingers in there, it's just sitting on the head.